I turned on this one particular feature and I started getting views unlike before. You know how frustrating it is to post video and you will not see one single view. Like, it gets me overwhelmed. Like, I have decided to quit YouTube because it's not for me. But I was worried. There was something in me keep on telling me that I should try more, I should search for solution, I should watch people's video and see what is going wrong with my own video. So and one day I laid my hands on one particular video and something changed. I started getting views. Like, if I post, I will see 2 views, 3 views, like 50 views, and I know that something is working, people are watching. So it pushed me to start creating more videos, and I decided to come here to share. So in today's topic, we'll be using only YouTube Studio for our tutorial. So let's head over to YouTube Studio. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you still waiting for? Please support your girl by clicking the subscription button and turning on your notification to be notified anytime I post your video. Please always engage, like, comment, ask your question. I will always answer.
Go to any browser of your choice and type in YouTube dashboard. It will take you to a page where you will see sign in, and everything about your channel will pop out. You will see all the video you have made, how many subscribers you have, your comments, your recent subscriber, in fact everything about your channel. So for the sake of this tutorial, I will be using my already published video. You can do this before posting your video or edit after you might have published it. So click on the video and scroll down where you see show more. Click on it and you see more options. Go to category and choose where your videos belong, whether education, comedy, music, and so on. Like mine is how to do videos. You can use it if your videos belong there. After that, click on this setting icon and choose channel. Here is where you type in your keywords. With these keywords, YouTube will know more about your videos so that they will push it to the right people. When you are done with putting in your keywords, then go to customization, which is this icon that looks like pen with stars. Click on channel. That is where you will organize your YouTube channel. You can put in your name, what your video is all about. Like, you can type in my video is how to do this, how to do that, or comedy. Like, everything about your video you can put in there so that anybody that clicks on your video will know that this channel is all about this thing. So this is where you put all that. Now, so put in your profile picture, your banner. This is where you beautify your YouTube channel. This is where you beautify your YouTube channel. So after that, you can put in watermark if you want others not to copy your videos. This is where you can add in watermark to your videos. When you are done with that, scroll up and click on home tab. Mine is like this because I have organized it before now, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to be changing some things. If you want to add in some videos, click on this plus that says add section. You can add in your channel trailer. This is a video that anybody that click on your channel will see first. I'm changing mine by clicking the 3 dots on the video. So after that, put in another video for your returning subscribers. Just click on add section and see all the options and put in the video that you want, or you allow YouTube to recommend for you. But there is one thing I want to correct that people are making mistake on, is this for you section. Please, if your video is on recent content only, please change it now and put it on all content recommended. Let YouTube recommend all your content to people, not only your recent videos. Even if your video that you made 10 years ago, it is still valid. Please change it right away. So do this and you will see a change in your views, and YouTube will continue to recommend your videos to the people that needs it. That is the main thing, to recommend your videos to the people that needs it, not recommending your video anyhow, because if I need something, that is when I could be able to click on your video. So do this and YouTube will recommend your videos to the people that needs it. So after everything, just click on publish and everything, your channel will change. Everything on your channel will change. If you click on it, you will see so many changes in your channel. That is it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.